Hey YouTube, right, my Xbox went down again with the 3 red lights of death, RROD. Anyway, right, to fix this, you're going to need to take off the X clamps, because they put too much pressure and also not enough pressure on the heat sinks. And then the PTFE washers we made, and also the screws, that's them under there. And then over here, this is the 4-year-old Xbox, which won't work. So anyway, all you need to do is just apply the heatsink compound, and it should be okay then. And then you get to this stage where you slip it back in. Okay, so we've put the motherboard back in and also reconnected the fan. And now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the modulator and the disk drive. So anyway, let's put the disk drive back on. Also, we need to put this on as well. Okay YouTube, we've put everything back in now, the disk drive as well, so now these are the screws that you're going to need to put modulator back on. Just trying to get it on the end here. So it's these little small black ones. Okay, YouTube, we've built it all up with the base plates and everything. So now we're going to just put the finishing touch on. Probably help if it was standing up. Okay, now we're going to go test it out. And there we have it, it is working. This is the 3-year-old Xbox Elite, and the 4-year-old ones have completely different heat sinks. Like these ones, which are a lot smaller and a bit crap. And also the thermal paste we use is Servicol heatsink compound for thermal cooling and heat dissipation. And my hard drive is over there. So anyway, we're going to make a mod controller probably around about now. So we're just going to, I know we don't have the resistor, so I'm going to follow a guide without the resistor. So hopefully it works. So anyway, stay tuned for that one. Right, thanks guys, bye.